Right, hi everyone. Now, if you watched last week's video, you would have seen that the portfolio was up something ridiculous like 10%. So obviously it had been very, very pumped and inflated. And yeah, obviously this week we're now down 1%, which, really, really sort of illustrates how volatile the market is at the moment and how fickle the market is too. So I think the pie was up something like 12-13%, and now we're down at 1%. I have chucked a little bit of money into the market today. So let me go into the investments. Just basically, first things first, Intel. Any of you guys are from England, you'll recognise this saying, but basically the arse has fallen out of Intel this week. Obviously, with the news from sort of the earnings, and there was a few different stories regarding Intel, regarding what they're doing with, some of their sales were down and some segments of the business were being sold off and things like that. The market's completely overreacted to it, like massively. So yeah, if we look in a week, it's down 17%, and I am seriously considering absolutely loading up on this stock. I'm just going to see where it goes tomorrow, but to be honest, if I could buy some right now, if the market was open, I would be throwing quite a bit of money into there right now. Also, morally, I don't particularly like this company, but financially, this is just crazy, absolutely crazy. Yeah, to be down at this price is quite ridiculous. So yeah, we're down 10% from last month. Just let me check that dividend as well. I mean, obviously the dividends come up, but yeah, nearly a 7% dividend on Glaxo is, yeah. Also J&J, dividend king, crazy amount to drop. I mean, 6% for, someone, a company as steeped in history as this one is pretty crazy. But yeah, lots and lots of bargains to be had right now. Yeah, where are we at? Microsoft staying pretty strong. National Grid still positive. Shell, oh my God, this stock just never ever stops falling. When if any look back on my previous videos, there was the AJ Bell videos before I swapped over to Trading 212, and I actually sold Shell. I think it was for about £16 a share, and now, in fact, if we go to a year, I mean, yeah, I sold it when it was about £16 a share, around then in March. And obviously now it's halved. I mean, that is just absolutely incredible. The dividend yield must be huge, 10%. Obviously not really going to be paying that because I think oil has collapsed as well. But yeah, so what I bought is I chucked £150 into just the S&P 500 basically, and yeah, the dollar split, and I chucked some into the S&P 500 in pound sterling as well, just to sort of hedge my bets there. But other than that, I just thought I'd make a quick update, and as we can see there, Tesla dropped again. I mean, this is an absolute crazy bargain right now. I mean, we all know this is going to be well over $500 in a few months, or a year at least. So there are so many bargains to be had right now. It's just sort of deciding what you'd like to buy. So really, what I'd like to say in this video is that you need to have a shopping list for when these crashes, or mini crashes, or pullbacks, whatever you want to call them, when these happen, you need to be ready. And you also need to have saved money up on the side, keep some cash ready to go to buy these things, because this is when you're going to make your most money, and this is when you're going to make your most gains. So whatever your goals are, if you want to retire early, if you want to, you know, just make some money and buy a Lambo, whatever. This is when you're going to make some serious money, so you need to be ready, you need to be focused. And a part of being focused is being organised, having your shopping list, knowing exactly what you want to buy, and buying it, really. So yeah, I hope you guys have been shopping today, and hopefully we'll see where this market is in a few months, and we'll see what gains we've made during this little mini correction. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you all soon.